ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। Okay, so let us do quickly. I won't be able to post these videos now, maybe later once I get back to the account.
Watching the old videos is not an issue, no, Guruji?
That is not an issue. I downloaded all those things. That is not a problem. Don't click any link given in in this video.
Okay.
See, even if something happens, you get a message immediately to your phone. Then you can be alert and then block it. If, not only this, anywhere. Even a message came to my mobile, but I was not there at that time. Just when I immediately, after a few minutes, I came and saw the moment I checked my activity, suspicious activity, then by the time it was time. Okay. शयानाः वृद्धाः प्रातः उष्णपानीयम् इच्छन्ति. Just already given. So you can do कर्मणि प्रयोगः. शयानाः वृद्धाः. धातु is शींग धातु. आत्मनेपदी. शेते शयाते शेरते. शयाते प्रथम पुरुषः द्विवचनं शयाते. शानजन्तं शयान. शयानः शयानौ शयानाः. शयानाः वृद्धाः प्रातः उष्णपानीयम् hot water इच्छन्ति. शयानाः वृद्धाः. शयानाः वृद्धाः meaning the वृद्धाः
old people. Sleeping old people.
Yes, old people who are sleeping in the morning, they like hot water. कर्मणि प्रयोगे इच्छन्ति. किम इच्छन्ति? So this is karma. उष्णपानीयम् इष्यते. इष् धातु कर्मणि प्रयोगः इष्यते. कर्तरि कर्मणि. प्रातः अव्ययम्. वृद्धाः वृद्धाः वृद्धैः अथवा वृद्धाभिः. स्त्रीलिङ्गे वृद्धाभिः, पुल्लिङ्गे वृद्धैः. So शयानाः वृद्धैः अथवा वृद्धाभिः. शयाना becomes शयानैः अथवा शयानाभिः वृद्धाभिः. उष्णपानीयम् इष्यते. कदा? प्रातः प्रातःकाले. प्रातः समये प्रातःकाले. तद्वत् भुञ्जानाः भगिन्यः मधुरं न स्वीकुर्वन्ति भुञ्जानाः ईटिंग भगिनी भगिन्यः भगिन्यः भगिन्यः
sisters,
सिस्टर्स भुङ्क्ते भुङ्क्ते भुञ्जाते भुञ्जते रुदादिगण धातुः भुञ्जते भुङ्क्ते भुञ्जाते भुञ्जते इति आत्मनेपदी रूपम् अथवा भुनक्ति भुङ्क्तः भुञ्जन्ति अपि अस्ति भुञ्जानः सो भुञ्जानाः सारी भुञ्जानाः भगिन्यः भगिन्यः भुञ्जते मधुरं न स्वीकुर्वन्ति they do not eat
sweet,
sweet मधुरं न स्वीकुर्वन्ति so sisters who eat do not accept do not like स्वीकुर्वन्ति means do not take sweet okay कर्मणि रूपं मधुरं न स्वीकुर्वन्ति मधुरम is
क्रियते,
yes sweet
क्रियते,
मधुरं न स्वीक्रियते कैः काभिः भगिनीभिः
भगिनीभिः,
भगिनीभिः कीदृशैः
भुञ्जानाभिः,
कीदृशाभिः भगिनीभिः भुञ्जानाभिः भुञ्जाना इज प्रातिपदिकम् भुञ्जाना भुञ्जाने भुञ्जानाः भुञ्जानाभिः भगिनीभिः मधुरं न स्वीक्रियते ओके तद्वत् कष्टानि सहते सा प्रबुद्धा जाता means she is awakened
enlightened,
प्रबुद्धा जाता she became prabhuddha jata enlightened she became knowledgeable she woke up kashtani sahate will become
sahamana,
kashtani sahamana sa sahate sahete sahante so sahamana simple sahamana sa prabhuddha jata similarly tvarate within bracket tvarate vikasah upanetreण विना कार्यालयं गतवान् so गतवान् कः विकासः is the name of the person कुत्र गतवान् कार्यालयं केन विना उपनेत्रेण विना without spect tvarate is hurriedly hastily
paramana,
tvarate atmanepadi therefore tvaramana vikasa is the name of the person Varamanah Vikasah Upanetrena Vina Upanetram Vina also correct for me. Vikasah Karta. Varamanah Visheshanam to the Karta. Karyalayam Karma. Vina is adjective. Avyaya. Shamitama Avyaya. And therefore Upanetrena or Upanetram. Upapada Vibhakti Tritiya without stretch. Jrumbate Vruddhaha Kapi Paniyam Patum Ichate. Jrumbate means yawning. The old man who is yawning, he desires to drink coffee. So Jrumbate becomes Jrumbamana. Jrumbamanaha. Jrumbamanaha Vruddhaha Kapi Paniyam Patum Ichati. Denoho Padaha Santi. Denoho Padaha. The legs of the Denu. What Santi? Santi is we can use Santi, it's any word.
Pavitram Sante.
Huh? You're doing
Pavitram?
Shanaj. No. Pavitrama. No, you cannot add Any word we like. Replace it by Shanaj.
Something.
What word we can add? Vidyamanaha santi. Vidyamanaha using vidyate, vidyate, vidyante, atmanepadi. Or vartamanaha, whatever it is. Okay. Just to test us. So santi is the rasdhatu. Atmanepadi rupam we have to. Okay. 1 minute. This karmani prayoga we did. Here, Gatavan, Paramana Vikasa, Karmani would be Gata Karyalayam Gatam,
Vikasena gatam.
Karyalayam Gatam, Panetra Vina, Vikasena, Paramanena. Similarly, Janmamanaha Vrdaha, Kapi Paniyam Patum Ichati.
Duddhena
So,
ishyate.
Patum, Kapi Paniyam, Patum
Ishyate.
Ishyate. Vai Vruddhena,
Duddhena.
Janmamanena Vruddhena. This leave it, not required.
Guruji,
Similarly, yes.
why did we write Vidyamanaha or Vartamana? Sorry, Vidyamanaha or Vartamanaha?
Equivalent Shana Chirupam, something you have to write. That's why I wrote this. Santi, you can convert into Vidyante or Vartante, Santi or Sattayam. So for
Okay.
that, I just wrote like this. Otherwise, what will you write? You cannot fill in the blank by the word what we like. You have to, this is Shana checks exercise. So,
What
Pada,
about
huh?
Bhu? Can we not write Bhuyama? Bhuyama.
Bhuyamana, you cannot write it. Sarmani Prayoga.
Okay.
Santi.
Okay.
Bhavati Bhavataha Bhavanti. Asti Staha Santi.
Hmm.
Bhuyamanaha karma, if you make it possible in Karmani Prayoga. That's why I said leave it, not required. Because we
Okay.
don't, all those things not used in the language like that. So, Brikshikebhyaha. Yeah.
Santi, that will not change.
Yeah, that alone I have given as Vidyamanaha. Here given Parasmepadi Santi. I
No,
changed it into an
even
Atmanepadi. Yeah, Santi. No, that will not change. Why should change? Vidyamanaha is an adjective to Padaha. Santi is Santi only. This is a noun form. What is the verb in the sentence? Sentence must have a verb, right? The verb is Santi. The verb will not change. Ramaha Gachati. Gachan Ramaha Kadati. Gachan is adjective to Ramaha.
okay.
Understand?
Yes.
So, therefore, Denoho Padaha Vidyamanaha Vartamanaha Santi. Just to give me a minute. Huh? Just give me a minute. Sorry, Amita. Hmm. 17. Yachante bhikshubhyah. Bhikshubhyah is wrong.
It should be Strilinga.
No. What's the wrong?
Devalayasya
What's the wrong thing there?
Bhikshu.
The vibhakti
Bhikshukebhyah.
is
It should be Karta, no?
okay.
Yeah.
Bhikshukebhyah, not bhikshubhyah.
Bhikshukebhyah.
Bhikshuka, the word is there. Bhikshu is,
Beggar.
Bhikshuka is beggar. What is bhikshu? Is there any word bhikshu? Ukaranta shabda bhikshu. I don't think so. Bhikshukaha should be. Bhikshukebhyah. Devalasya purataha upavishtavatyaha. So it's not bhikshukebhyah.
It's a Bhikshukebhyah.
Huh?
Upavishtavatya is Strilinga.
Therefore,
Strilinga of Bhikshuka will be Bhikshuki.
bhikshukebhyah. What is the Srilinga of bhikshuka?
Bhikshuka ta pratyay.
Bhikshuki.
The form is bhikshuka. Bhikshuka. Bhikshukabhyah. Bhikshuka is the word. Derived from the dhatu bhiksh dhatu. So bhikshukabhyah, can say bhikshuka. Akaranta shabda. Aja become aja. Same way bhikshuka becomes bhikshuka. Bhikshukabhyah. Not bhikshu. Bhikshuki. Bhikshuki is Bhikshuki is the word Bhikshuki. I'm just thinking whether Bhikshuki is there. It said Bhikshuki is there, the word. Bhikshukabhyaha. In fact, it is Bhikshuki and Bhikshuka. Nadi Shabdavatu. Bhikshuka not there. Then check the dictionary. Bhikshuki is there. So the pratyaya is ni pratyaya. Some pratyaya that is ni per, I have to check that. The Bhikshuki, the word is that. Srilinga, Sri pratyaya, we have to check. Either it must be ni or it must be niche, or it must be neat, niche, need. Three, either one of them. Bhikshuki only is there, not Bhikshuka. Okay. I have to check this word, how it comes. I'll do it later. So Bhikshuki is the word. So Bhikshuki bhyaha devalayasya purataha means in front. Upa Vishtavatyaha, Upa Vishtavati Pratipadikam. So Yachante, therefore in qualifying Bhikshuki bhyaha yacha
Yachamana.
mana vyaha.
Yaha.
Devalayasya puratya upavishta bhikshubhyah. This is also wrong. Why is this fourth bhikshukibhyah panchami? That is also wrong actually. So bhikshuki becomes
Bhikshukyaha.
bhikshukyah. I think it's copied pasted from somewhere. It's wrong. Why it is in Chaturthi? Somebody giving some money to them, then we can say to them bhikshukibhyah. So therefore, here we cannot have it as Chaturthi or Panchami, whatever it is. There's no meaning at all. Devalayasya purataha upavishtavatyaha. They are sitting in front of the temple. So,
Of the temple.
vikshukyaha. Therefore, yachan becomes yacha,
Yachamanaha.
Manaha.
yachamanaha, vikshukyaha. Janaha yachamanebhyaha vikshukibhyaha
Bhyaha dhanam diyat.
dhanam
Iti.
yachanti or
Yes.
dadati. That is also. But here it is vikshuki is the karta. So it cannot be chaturthi. Upavishta vatyaha karmani prayoga will be, this is nishta pratyaya upavishtvati silinga. So karmani would be devalayasya purataha. That will not change. That will remain as it is.
Upavishta.
Vikshukibihi
Hi.
yachamanabihi vikshukibihi
Upavishtam.
upavishtam.
Vishtam.
Vishtam only.
Okay.
This is akarmaka dhatu, therefore it will take napumsakalinga pratama vibhakti ekavachanam. This is akarmaka dhatu. So where is karma? Karma not there. Devalayasya purataha vikshukibihi tritiya yachamanabihi. So this noun form of the verb upapurvaka vishtatu do not denote karta. That is why karta in tritiya. Karma it cannot take. Akarmakatvat. Therefore napumsakalinga pratama ekavachanam. Purataha is avyaya. Kasya purataha devalayasya purataha. Purataha will govern. Purataha is in front. Purataha or samipe, etc. So those words will govern devalaya in Shashti. So devalayasya purataha upavishtam.
This Yachamana will not become Yachanam.
Yacha?
That will remain same Yachanabihi.
Yachamanabihi. That will why? Because this is Dikshu. Yaha is Pratama Vibhakti Bhagavachanam. When it changes, will not the Visheshana to that will change? This is 1-3. Pratama Ek Bhagavachanam. And Ayachamanaha qualifier. So when you change the qualified into Tritiya, this is 3-3. Will not this will change? Yes or no?
Because
Yes or no?
Upavishtam we are,
Huh?
no,
Huh?
Upavishtam we are using. So
Yeah. So
that one we are seeing. So why Yachamana? So that can it not be Yachamanam instead of Yachanam?
can it not be? Little louder.
Yachamanam or Yachanam.
Yachamanam.
Yachanam.
Is there anybody
So
Yachanam?
similar to Upavishtam. Because begging, sitting, so both are kind of action. So why only for Upavishtat we are changing to Upavishtam, but Yachamana we are making it in line with the karta.
In fact, it is not making in line like that. This is Kartari Priyaha, this is Karmani Priyaha. What is Karmani Priyaha? This is not even Karmani Priyaha, this is Bhave Priyaha. What is Bhave Priyaha? What is Bhave Priyaha? Bhave Priyaha is that Priyaha where the action alone is presented, only pure action. Bhave Priyaha possible only for Akarmaka Dhatus. Of course, for Sakarmaka Dhatu also it is possible when karma is not specified. Anyway, that is a different thing. So this dhatu is akarmaka dhatu. Upapurvaka vish dhatu, akarmaka dhatu. Cannot take karma. Therefore, karmani priyaha, karma not there. Therefore, it cannot be karmani priyaha, it has to be bhave priyaha. So in bhave priyaha, karma not there. If karma is there, then it is karmani priyaha, and then karma will take pratama vibhakti, karta will be tritiya. In bhave priyaha, karma not there. Therefore, not there is not there. Karta will be, of course, as it is in karmani priyaha, tritiya vibhakti. Why you are changing this yachamanam? You cannot do it. It is a visheshanam to the visheshya vikshuki being. Therefore, you cannot make this. Now, upavishtam, I made it here upavishtam. Since this is bhave priyaha, the verbal derivative that is noun form here, it has to upavishta. Now the question comes, upavishta, what will happen? Upavishtaha or upavishta or upavishtam? Upavishtaha you can use when what it denotes is a karta, it's in pullinga. This being akarmaka dhatu, what can it denote? It cannot denote karma in bhave priyaha. Karma not there. Upavishtaha ruled out. Upavishta also ruled out because doesn't have karma to denote. Pullinga, Srilinga not there. Therefore, the rule is when karma is not there in bhave priyaha, that is what bhave priyaha is. Then we can have napumsakalinga for the verbal derivative. Napumsakalinga, what vibhakti? Pratama vibhakti. What vachanam? Default. Pratama vibhakti ekavachanam. Same thing we saw in karmani priyaha. Ramaha upavishyate. Ramaha, okay, not upavishyate, samita. Ramaha upavishyati. Convert this into karmani priyaha. Is it possible? Yes or no? Ramaha upavishyati. Please answer. What is the karma?
There is no karma.
Therefore,
So bhave prayoga.
what is the
Ramena
prayoga?
upavishtam.
Ramena,
upavishtam.
not upavishtam.
Upavishtam.
Ramena,
Upavishtam.
upcoming upavishtam. Here, kriya padam upavishati is there. How can you say upavishtam?
Bhavishyate.
Upavishyate. You cannot use a verbal derivative suddenly, right? Upavishyate. Why you are using upavishyate? Why not upavishyate or upavishyante? Raja, you have to answer.
Bhave priyaha.
Why not upavishyante? Why not upavishyate? Upavishyate, upavishyate, upavishyante. Why not upavishyase? Why not upavishyate, upavishyadve? Or upavishyeyam, upavishyeva, upavishyema? Why not? Where is the karma here? Ramaha annam kadati, annam is karma. Here Ramaha upavishyate, sitting action. Where is the karma? Where is the object? It is intransitive verb. It cannot take karma because the verb is intransitive. So when you do karmani priyaha of that, Ramena upavishyate, sitting is done by Rama. Why we are using upavishyate? The rule is pratama purusha ekavachanam is used because this shows this is some pratyaya we have to use some purusha, not some purusha. Of course, here Ramena is there. Ramena, okay, Ramena has got no connection. Some Pratama Purusha we have to use. We cannot use Madhyama Purusha or Uttama Purusha. Then becomes the object of this will become Madhyama or Uttama, but this cannot take object, therefore that is also ruled out. Therefore we say by default Pratama Purusha Ekavachanam should be there for the Kriya Padam. Therefore Ramena Upavishyate. Same way here also, as we use upavishyate, now convert this into all these things already we have seen. Ramaha upavishtavan. This is Nishta Pratyaya. Ramaha upavishtavan. Converting this into karma priya. Ramena
Vishtam.
upavishtaha. Is it correct?
No, Vishtam.
No.
The same thing here. What's the doubt then? Then why not upavishta? Upavishtaha pullinga, upavishta strilinga. The linga depends on the karma. Since there is no karma, bhave prayaha, dhatu is akarmaka dhatu. You cannot take karma. Therefore, we say upavishtam. By default, we use napumsakalinga, pratama vibhakti, ekavachanam, upavishta shabda, upavishtam, upavishte, upavishtani. Ramena upavishtam. We cannot say upavishte. Upavishte, when you say it means dvivachanam. Dvivachanam means it is, the karma is dvivachanam. Where is karma? Upavishtani we cannot use. Bhagavachanam. Where is karma? So just we say upavishtam. We have to use some vachanam we have to use. We use ekavachanam. And we have to use pratama vibhakti. Same thing here. What's the doubt? Huh?
Okay.
Okay, next one. Modate mitram mam ahutavan. So, modate mitram mam ahutavan. Ahutavan kriyapadam. Called. Invited. Mam ahutavan mitram. Mitram what? Vibhakti what vachanam?
Prathama Napumsaklinga
Karta.
Ekvachanam.
Mitram mam
Prathama Vibhakti
ahutavan.
Ekvachanam Napumsaklinga.
Mitram mam ahutavan. Friend called me. Modate. Modate is from the Modu dhatu, Atmane Paridhatu. Modate. So it's
Udamanaha.
qualifying.
Bodhamana.
You have to think an answer. Huh? Don't tell the answer you want immediately. Think before you say. This is Mitram. Just now you said Napumsakalinga, Pratama Vibhakti, Ekavachanam. Then now you can say Modamanaha. Modamanam Mitram. How can you say Modamanaha? When you say Modamanaha, this becomes Pullinga, this is Napumsakalinga. Gender mismatch. Don't jump to the answer immediately. Think, take time and think an answer. Modamanam Mitram. Modamana is a Pratipadikam. Can be declined in any gender. Here, what gender you will use? Because Mitra is Napumsakalinga, therefore Modamanam. Modamanam Mitram. Modamanaha Ramaha. Modamana Sita. Modamanaha Saka. Modamana Saki. Understand? Modamanam Mitram Mam Ahutavan. Karmani Priyaha would be Ahutavan will become Mitram, Mitre, Mitrani. Therefore, Mitram Ahutam. The karma here becomes, the karta here becomes, yes, that here karta is Mitra, Karmani Priya karta will become Mitrena. Modamanam will become Modamanena. What is the object here? Mam. Mam will become Aham. I was invited by the friend who is happy. Modamanena Mitrena Aham Ahutam. Right? Aham Ahutam. Sainikaha Yudhyante. Putran Vismaranti. So we have to make it here. Join the sentence making use of Shanach. Putran Vismaranti. Put that first. Or okay, Yudhyante, we have Shanach we have to use. So you cannot say Vismaranti is.
Sainikaha Putran Vismaranti.
Hold on, okay. Then think an answer. Putran Vismaranti. That is the Vismaranti is the Kriyapadam. Putran Vismaranti, for which the karma is Putra and Karta is Sainika. Since we are doing Shanaj, Yudyante, you cut it and put it here as an adjective to Sainika. So Yudya Manaha Sainikaha. Here Vivaksha depends. Here Vivaksha is usage of Shanaj. So therefore we make Vismaranti as the main Mukhya Kriya Padam and making the other Yudyanti as Shanachantam. Otherwise, Putran Vismarantaha Sainikaha Yudyante. That is also we can say. But there Vismaran it becomes Shatranta. We need Shanaj here. So Yudyamanaha Sainikaha Putran Vismaranti. They forget the sun. Forgetting the sons, they fight. Archakaha Jnanam Kurute. Kuru Dhatu is Ubhayapadi. So Archakaha Jnanam Kurute. Therefore, this alone you need to have that as an adjective. That means Shanajantam. Adjective to Archaka. Stotrani Vadati Mukhya Kriyapadam. Mukhya Kriyapadam. Therefore, it will be Tinganta. Kani Vadati Stotrani. Kaha Archakaha. Kidrishaha Archakaha.
Snanam kriyamanaha archakah.
So this Karmani Priyaha of Krudhatu Kriyate, Kriyante, Kriyamanaha. Kim Kriyamanaha, for which the karma is, Dhanam is the karma for the Kru Dhatu, the action which is there. So Stanam Kriyamanaha Archakaha Stotrani Vadati. Okay. We can use the Shatranta also. Just same, but we are doing Shanach here. If it is Shatranta, then
Urban.
Urvan. The Dhatu is Ubhayapadi, Kru Dhatu. Then Ashwini Vakyam Prayumte. Chitrani
Karmani
Darshayati.
we are not doing.
Okay, sorry, yeah, we can do it.
Even the previous one.
Yeah. Yudyamanaha Sainikaha Putran Vismaranti. So, karma is Putran. Karmani Priyake, karma will be Abhigita, therefore, Pratama Vibhakti Putraha. Vismaranti will become
Vismaryante.
Vismaryante. Latlakara. Putra by whom? Sainikaihi.
Sainikaihi.
Kidrishaihi Sainikaihi. Udyamanaihi Sainikaihi. This is Karmani Prayoga. You can convert this also into Nishta Pratyaya, past tense. Okay, what will be the past tense? Past tense, Lang Lakara we will do.
Vispritvam.
So I take this
Vismritvantaha.
present tense and then I'm saying Lang Lakara, not Vismritavantaha. Vismaranti. Lang Lakara would be
Vyasmaryat. Vyasmaryan.
Putran Yudyamana Sainikaha. We then Atagama will
Vyasmaryan.
come. Yes, Maran.
Hmm.
This is Lang Lakara. So, Lang Lakara Karmani would be Yudyamanahi Sainaihi Putraha. Then here, yes, Mru plus Yat plus Te. What will happen to here? Yes, Maryan.
Maryanta.
Yes, Maryanta. Bhagavachanam. Yes, Maryanta. Equivalent of that will be, it's not only equivalent, Kridanta will be Vismrtavantaha. Here equivalent
Vismritam.
Rupam.
Vismritaha.
Vismrtaha.
Vismrita.
Putraha Vismrtaha. Similarly, Archakaha Snanam Kriyamanaha Arkurvan archakah stotrani vadati. Karmani would be stotrani archakena kurvata kriyamanena archakena stotrani. Here, karmani, what is the form? Udyante.
Udyate.
Dhatu is vadadhatu will undergo samprasaranam. Therefore,
Udyate.
udyate, udyate, udyante. Form will be different.
So archakah udyate.
Not udyate. Stotrani udyante. Bhagavachanam. Karmani prayoga. Similarly, Ashwini vakyam prayungte chitrani darshayanti. So prayungte will be an adjective to Ashwini. So prayungte will become
Prayunjamanah.
yunjate, yunjete, yunjante. Yujudatu. Yujir dhatu. In fact, it is seventh conjugation. Rudadina. Yujir. Yujir yoge. Yungte, yunjate, yunjate. Sorry. The form is yungte, yunjate. Therefore, prayunjamanaha. Mana Ashwini. Vakyam prayunjamana Ashwini. Ashwini Srilinga. Chitrani darshayati. What is the meaning? Vakyam prayunjamana means she uses Vakya, says sentence, and shows the chitra, pictures. Chitrani darshati. By whom the karmani will be? Darshayati will become. Darshi is a dhatu. Therefore becomes
Darshyate.
Darshyante. Chitrani darshyante. By whom? By Ashwinya. Prayunjamanaya. Vakyam prayunjamanaya Ashwinya chitrani darsyante. Darsyante, therefore is missing. Darshi is a dhatu. Then yak plus te, then bhagavachanam, yat chitrani. This is karma. Karmani prayaha, karma is abhigitam. So karma is bhagavachanam, therefore darsyante. Then mitram shete, putran vismaranti. So shete, shete, shayate, herate. Putran vismaranti. Mitram is friend. The friend sleeps. Then he forgets the kids, forget the sons. So shete becomes
Shayanam.
shayanaha. We saw it before also. Shayanam, yeah. Shayanam becomes Napumsakalinga. Shayanam putran vismaranti. Shayanam mitram is the subject. A friend who sleeps forgets the sons. Putran vismaranti. Then karmani prayaha would be vismaryan,
Smaryate.
vismaryante. Shayanam mitram. Shayanam mitram putran become putraha vismaryante. By whom? Mitrena.
Shayanina.
Shayanena mitrena. Putraha vismaryante. Chatraha samyak adiyate. Uttaman ankan prapnuvanti. I hope you all understand the meaning, okay? Uttaman ankan, good marks. Chatraha, they study well and get good marks. So chatraha, uttaman anka, prapnuvanti mukhya kriya. Keep it as it is. Ankan is karma for which the adjective is uttaman. By whom? By the chatraha. And kidrishaha chatraha.
Samyak adhiyamanaha chatraha.
Adiyamanaha chatraha. Samyak is, that will be adverb to adiyamana. That will remain as it is. That is not not declinable, it's indeclinable. Samyak adiyamanaha chatraha. Chatra can be any gender. I mean, any gender is Strilinga or Pullinga. Can take both, no problem. Adiyamanaha also. So depending on the context only we know. Samyak adiyamanaha adiyate adiyate adite adiyate adiyate. That is a form. Adiyamanaha is a rupam because adiyate is Pratama Purusha Dvivachan. Adi Purvaka in Dhatu, in the sense of study. Rayena Adi Upasarga Bhavati. Now Karmani Priyaha Uttama Uttamaha Ankaha. That is the object. Prapnuvante becomes Prapyante. Ankas are Bhagavacham. That is what is denoted. So Ankaha Prapyante. Here only question comes. Pullinga, Srilinga. Both are possible. Chatrabhihi or Chatraihi. Here the Karmani Priyaha we have to mention it. Similarly, Adiyamanabihi or Adiyamanaihi. In Karmani Priyaha only the gender becomes clear. Okay, then Lalanaha Sundaram Bhashante Janan Akarshanti. Lalanaha is Mahilaha. Janan Akarshanti. Akarshanti Mukhya Kriya. Janan Akarshi Apurvaka Krishdatu. Sundaram again adverbial. Sundaram is Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Napumsakalinga. When it is adverb, then it will be karma, karmatvam vishyate, and napumsakalinga ekavachanam bhavati. Kriya visheshanasya karmatvam vishyate, and it will be napumsakalinga singular. When we have a visheshanam, like we have visheshana to the vishesha, adjective, substantive. Similarly, verb also can have visheshanam, but we don't call by the name adjective, we call by the name adverb. Similarly, here also adverbial. In the case of here, it is indeclinable, but Sundara is declinable. Sundaraha, Pullinga, Sundara, Sundari, Strilinga, Sundaram, Napumsakalinga also is there. So Sundaram is Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekavachanam. It is declinable, and that will be as an adverb, it will be Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Karmatvam, karma is Dvitiya. Karmatvam Vishyate, Napumsakalinga Ekavachanam. It's a rule. It's a Vartika, it's unwritten. Don't take it as a karma. Karma in the sense, it is adverb. Adverb is considered, the Sundaram is considered to be an adverb, and when it is an adverb, it will take Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekavachanam of the Napumsakalinga Rupam of the Shabda Sundara. Fine, that will not change. That will remain as it is. Now, Lalanaha Srilinga, Bhashante will become Bhasha Manaha. Bhashamanaha Lalanaha Janan Akarshanti. Then Karmani Priyoge Janaha Apurvaka. Not Karshante. It's wrong. Akrishyate. By Lalana Bihi. Jidrisha Bihi. Bhashamana Bihi. Lalana Bihi Akrishyante. Itaha Badante disturbs. Sasyani Nashayanti destroys the crops. So Sasyani Nashayanti. Nashayanti Nashdatoho Nijantarupam. Destroys. Nashyate means perishes. But Kita destroys. Causes Sasyani to destroy. To get killed. Therefore we say destroy, the word we use. Causes Sasyani to get killed. Therefore destroys. Nashayanti. Ke Kitaha. Kidrishaha. Badadatu. Badate, badate, badate.
Badhamana.
Badamana.
Badamanaha Kitaha Sasyani Nashayanti. Karmani would be dhatu is nashi is a nash plus e nashi is a dhatu. So sasyani, that is karma. Pratama bhakti bhagavachanam. Gita becomes kitaihi, padamanaihi. Now here what will happen? Nashi is a dhatu. Therefore nash yante. Nash dhatoho nijanta karmani. This is nijanta rupam karmani. Nash plus nich. You have nashi. Upada vriddhi will happen. Nash plus e nashi. Nashi in e dhatu. Karmani prayoge. The nashi plus yak plus te. Yak is adhatuka pratyaya, not valadi. Therefore, when anit follows, the e will drop. All these things we have learned already. They have to become nash plus yak plus te, nashyate. That's how we get nashyate, nashyate, nashyante. Okay. Rajakumaraha shobhate sabham pravishati. Pravishati mukhya kriya. Sabham pravishati, enters. Sakarmaka dhatu. That's why sabham is there. Prapurvaka vishtatu, we need to enter, it's sakarmaka dhatu. Sabham. Shobhate. Shobhate shines. Shobha.
Manaha.
Manaha. Rajakumaraha sabham pravishati. Simple sentence. Karmani would be Shobhamanena. Rajakumarena.
Sabha
Sabha. Pravishyate.
pravishyate.
Sabha ekavachanam. Therefore pravishyate. Okay. Sannyasi spandate. Spandate. Spandate means spandanam, movement, action. Sannyasi spandate. Spandana kriya. Agitate. That one meaning is the agitation. Spandate. In Sundarlagi, first shloka itself becomes Shiva Shaktya Yukto Yadi Bhavati Shakta Parvavitum Nache Devam Devo Nakalu Kushalaha Spanditum Api. So Spandana, what is Spandana? Means movement. Sannyasi Spandate Pariharam Suchayati. Pariharam is remedy. He informs remedy. So sannyasi spandate, I think the meaning will not fit. Or we can take, okay, fine. The sannyasi spandate, he trembles. And he himself tells a parihara. Possible, why not? You take that way. So, who tells a parihara remedy? Sannyasi. And what does sannyasi do? He does his spandamana kriya. Trembles, trembling, shaking, you know that meaning, quivering. So spandamana, he himself does the remedy. Spandamanaha sannyasi. Sannyasi nakaranta shabda. Sannyasi, sannyasino, sannyasinaha. Karin shabdavat. So he himself gives the, informs the sochayati. Sochanam karoti. Sochanam karoti. Parihara. Pariharaha karmani. Suchyate. By whom?
Sannyasina.
Sannyasina. Spandamanena. Sannyasina. Pariharaha suchyate. Then Naradaha Vandamanam Dhruvakumaram Uttapya Uktavan. Good one, already given. We don't have to do anything. Naradaha Uktavan. Narada told. Samhita. Whom did he tell? Dhruvakumaram. Idrisham Dhruvakumaram Vandamanam. Who saluting, was saluting. Having Uttapya. Uttapya means having cause to
Get.
get up. So already it is Vandamanam is used as an adjective to the object Dhruva Kumaram. We don't have to do anything. Karmani Priyaha we can do. So Dhruva Kumaraha is, can we change Dhruva Kumaram to Dhruva Kumaraha?
Naradena.
Naradena, okay. Then
Yuktam.
that's it. Don't touch Dhruva Kumaram. Because it is the object for Uttapya.
Uttapya.
Yeah, Dhatu is there. In fact, 3 dhatus are there in the sentence. 3 kriya. Bandhavana kriya, Uttapana kriya, then Vachana kriya.
Vachana.
So Naradena Uttam. What Prayoga is this? Bhave Prayoga.
Bhave.
Karma not there. Therefore Uttam. Otherwise, if karma is there, we can say Uttapya, for which the karma is Dhruva Kumaram, and adjective is Vandavanam. So we cannot take, there is no karma here. We cannot take any one of this karma. And only 2 words are left out. Narada and Utta. Naradena. Where is karma? Karma not there. Therefore, this is Bhave Priyaha. Even though Vachdhatu can take karma, karma is not mentioned. Vachdhatu is Sakarmaka Dhatu, can take karma. But karma Vivakshayam, Sakarmakanam, api Bhave Prayujyate. Bhave Arte Prayujyate. Jase Bhave Priyaha. Okay. Dasharataha Vardamanan. Again here also. Vardamanan means growing. Balan Drishtva. Drishtavan. Rishdhatu. So Drishtva, for which the karma is Balan, qualifier Vardamanan. Rishdhatu. Harsha comes from this dhatu. Harshati, happy. So Rishtam, Dasharatena, Karmani Priyave. Rishtam. Don't touch this Balan Vardamanan, because it is the object for Drishtva. Drishtva being Aviya, therefore it cannot change. Having seen the boys who are growing, Ananda is experienced by Dasharatha. Okay. Bhashamanena Rajakiya Purushena Bahu Pralapitam. What is the meaning of Pralapitam? Talks much. Bhashamanena Rajakiya Purushena Bahu Pralapitam.
Vashamanah Rajakiya Purushah Bahu Pralapitavan.
Lapadatu, lap with the pralapa, all this comes from this dhatu only. Means just prattling. Bhashamanena Rajakiya Purusha. Rajakiya Purusha, Raja Sambandhi Purusha. The one who is connected to Rajakiya. So Rajakiya Purusha means
Politician.
connected to, politician, connected to Raja. So Rajakiya Purusha, Karmani Priyaha it is given. So Bhashamanaha Rajakiya Purushaha
Pralapitavan.
Pralapitavan. Bahu is adverbial. Will be considered to be Napumsakalinga and Vidya Bhakti Ekavachanam. Bagu Baguni Baguni. Bagu Baguni Baguni, like Madhu Shabda. Therefore, this 2-3, like what we saw here, 2-3. Adverbial. Okay, so I think we'll stop here. More or that we will see. I won't be able to post it in the YouTube now. Maybe once I get it back. Otherwise, you have to print a new one. Let us see. I don't know what will happen. This is unnecessary problem.
Guruji, you can do screen recording also.
It's anyway recorded.
Okay.
recording is there. I won't be able to post it immediately in the channel. You just see. Okay, we'll stop here. Om Purnamadah Purnamidham Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti 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 Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om. Dhanyavadah.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ
ಗುರುಜಿ.
Guruji, next class, hello.
Yeah.
So are we going to continue Thursday classes or?
Yes, we can do it on Sunday itself. No problem. Are you available on Sunday? Sunday already we are having, right? We can do on Sunday.
Yes.
5:30 we can meet. We'll have more time if you can. Available, we can do.
Yes, sir.
5:30,
What
okay.
time, Guruji?
5:30.
Yeah, fine.
Yeah, yes, good.
Yes, 5:30 we can have. I'm back to Chennai, so I think I have time now. I can do it.
Okay.
Okay, please
Okay.
remember 5:30
Yes.
morning.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಗುರುಜಿ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಗುರುಜಿ.